Actually, I should not have waited all day to run and ride because now I'm stuck in traffic. Awesome. It's a little bit humid. I'm about to log some more miles. I just got out here now. It is sunny and humid. And my helmet's crooked. It is humid as hell out here. Holy crap. But nobody's out here, so we're about to get it. Come on now. First part of the bike is done. Now it's on to the run. So we are running for St. Jude's. St. Jude's is 100 miles this month. The bike is 250. I just did almost 20 miles on the bike, 19 point whatever. I'll show you the stats, and that makes 60 for the month. I did 3-mile run yesterday. I'm supposed to do intervals today, but I pushed it on the last half of that bike, so we're gonna see what we do. Interval 1 is done. I did a 10-minute warm-up. I did a 4-minute hard. This is a 3-minute easy, which turned into a walk, which is fine. It's an interval. And then I'll do another 4-minute hard, hopefully, and a 3-minute walk. And then I'll keep doing that. I'm supposed to have 4 of them, but we'll see. All right, number 1, number 2, number 3 are done. I'm walking between number 4. I have, I don't know, 2 minutes, I think, before I start number 4. And then it's cool down. All the cool down is running back to the truck. After all that rain on the way out here, it has not rained one time, of course. Number 4 is complete, significantly slower. My God. I mean, I'll show you the times. I don't even really know right now. I won't know till I'm done, but the good news is it's like a horse headed to the barn. I'm on the way home, baby. Just got to make it back to the truck. Oh. I literally just got back and I'm leaving. I think it's a sign.